for your favorite. It's time for your favorite game show called What's in the Box? Now, we're having two special guests here. One of them is Emma Levinson. The other one is Lee Levinson, who is not here yet. I don't know why. So, let's start the game. Now, Emma, pick any two boxes.
That one and the white one.
Okay. You can pick, you can go for any, you can get this prize, or you could go for the prize in the box. I feel really sorry for you. Yay! Sorry. Now, the wooden box. You can go for this lovely prize here, or you can go for what's in the box.
What's in the box?
Emma?
Yeah?
You peeked in the boxes, didn't you?
No, I didn't. I seriously didn't.
Okay. You win a $20 cash prize! Give her a hand, folks!